हाय, सवाल मेरा ये है कि इस गाने को अगर किसी को आप डेडिकेट करना चाहें धीरे धीरे से मेरी ज़िंदगी में आना, तो आप दोनों किस किस को डेडिकेट करेंगे ये गीत?
यार फिलहाल मेरी जिंदगी में तो ऐसा कोई नहीं है that I can dedicate this song to, but जब होगा तो I will tell you.
Ditto. I'm single and very ready to mingle right now.
नहीं, कोई भी हो सकता, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कोई पर्टिकुलर।
I mean, he's dedicating it to his dad, so I think that's
it's appropriate to say we all are dedicating this to his father.
I just want to ask you one question because भूषण सर ने ये जो गाना डेडिकेट किया है अपने डैड को किया है, and you are well known कि आप भी अपने डैड के बहुत डियर हो, तो जब आप ये शूट कर रहे थे, आप दोनों ही शूट कर रहे थे, आपको अपने डैड का कितना रिमेम्बरेंस है माइंड में?
यार मेरे सामने there was Sonam, so dad was absolutely not there.
Dad was not there.
Not there at all.
मतलब उस टाइम के लिए डैड चले गए और बाद में डैड याद आए।
आपको मुझे लगता है आपको अपने डैड की बहुत याद आ रही है।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल। जाहिर सी बात है, आप यंगस्टर्स के लिए इतनी बड़ी इंस्पिरेशंस हो, तो आप अगर अपने डैड के इतने क्लोज हैं, तो आपको देखने के बाद हम अपने डैड क्लोज तो रहेंगे।
No, that's very sweet. But नहीं, इस गाने के दौरान I did not think about my father at all.
Okay, that's nice.
Ritik sir, during this video song, there was a scene where Sonam is telling you that particular wardrobe is not matching you, and he's doing like this. Did you find any resemblance with your first movie where you, when you met Amisha for the first time in the scene, and you said this one is not looking nice, and you did like this? Did you find any resemblance?
I said I don't like the car. I prefer a bicycle. That's what I said. I didn't think about it.
But did you remember any scene or any?
No. But now I did. Thanks.
And who will be see opposite Ritik in Ashiki 3?
What? Ashiki 3? You want me to do it? Okay, I'll think about it.
So is it finalized? Bhushan ji? Bhushan sir, आपका जवाब?
See, I've loved him so much as a producer that I myself have gone to him and said that you have to produce a film for me now. So let him think, give him some time.
Ritik, Bang Bang 2 is happening, but you're not there. Lots of fans are disappointed, so what do you have to say?
What do I say? Why they didn't take me, I don't know. Ask them.
Ritik, straight. How true is this?
Yeah, straight there.
There, here. How true is this news that you've been approached for a YRF film opposite Deepika?
Little bit true. Very, very, very little bit. Which part is true, I can't.
Ritik, how are you taking your link up with Kangana Ranaut? Would you like to say anything?
Oh my God, mind
Just said he was single. One film? Which Ranjana was 100 crores, right? Bhag Milkha. Yeah, I don't even remember what numbers my films do because I really don't think about it too much. Yeah, but I guess, I don't know. I hope whatever, it does well for the producers. And I'm doing another film with Fox, so it better do well for the producers. I don't know, man. I've just worked hard and I hope it does well. It's Salman Khan. I'm sure it's going to open to some ridiculous figures.
Which I want to recreate. I don't know, yeah. Kahuna Pyare, okay. Why not?
He danced really well in that. Why do you want him to dance again on it?
She's happy with what we had.
I was quite happy with
She doesn't.
it.
Ritik and Sonam, you guys have worked together. This is the second time. Oppo is another film, the ad film. I really loved it. What is the one quality that, and this goes out to both of you, that you have found in Ritik that you were not aware of earlier, and that you have found in Sonam that you weren't aware of earlier, while filming in Istanbul? Oh, sorry, in Turkey.
Well, I don't know if I can identify something that I was not aware of and then got aware of, because ऐसा मैं सोचता नहीं हूँ. But I really admire the fact that she's, she's very comfortable in front of the camera. She's very spontaneous. She is really giving, no, really. And apart from all of that, being an actress and, she's very aware of the world around her. She's very intelligent and very knowledgeable. So yeah, a lot of good qualities.